In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Skyscanner travel channel explained. Before we begin, it's important to clarify one thing. Skyscanner does not offer a dedicated consumer video channel that you can simply create like a social media profile. Instead, what you'll actually be setting up is access to their affiliate program, which allows you to earn commissions when your audience books travel through your custom links. So if your goal is to promote flights, hotels, or travel deals through content, this is the path you'll want to take. Start by going to the Skyscanner website. Once the homepage loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Many websites place their business and partnership resources in the footer, so this is where you'll usually find links related to affiliate tools and partner opportunities. At the bottom of the page, click on Partners. This will take you to the section of the site intended for business relationships and collaboration options. From there, click on Affiliates. This is the area specifically designed for creators, publishers, and site owners who want to share Skyscanner offers and potentially earn from referred bookings. Once you're on the affiliates page, look for the Become a Partner button and click it. This should take you further into the application process. On the next page, find the section called Joining Our Affiliate Program. In that section, click on the link for the affiliate program page. A new window will open, so just keep that in mind as you move through the process. In the new page, click Apply Now. That will open another new window, and this is an important part to pay attention to. You may only have around 5 minutes to complete the next stage, so it's a good idea to be ready before you begin. Make sure you have your basic account and business details prepared in advance so you can move through the form without delays. When that final sign-up page appears, click Sign Up to begin your registration. From there, you'll be entering the official application flow for the Skyscanner affiliate program through their partner platform. As a quick tip, take your time reading each page carefully, especially any eligibility requirements or approval details. Even though the navigation is simple, understanding what the program expects will help you complete the process more smoothly and avoid mistakes. And that's how to set up a Skyscanner travel channel by joining the Skyscanner affiliate program. Once approved, you'll be able to start using affiliate links as part of your travel content strategy.